Is your PS3 not reading discs and refusing to load your games or movies? Don't worry, here are the fastest ways to fix it right now. Welcome back to TechVibes. If your PS3 is acting up, I've got you covered with simple, proven fixes that actually work. So what's going on? Usually, this happens because of dust buildup inside the drive, a weak laser lens, outdated system software, or even small disk issues. The good news is, most of these problems are fixable without replacing your console. Let's jump straight into the solutions. Step 1. Check the disk itself. Take the disk out and inspect it under light. If you see fingerprints, smudges, or scratches, clean it with a microfiber cloth. Wipe from the center outward, not in circles. Even small dirt can stop the PS3 from reading properly. Step 2. Restart and reset your PS3. Turn off your PS3 completely, then press and hold the power button until you hear 2 quick beeps. This boots it into safe mode. From there, choose Restore File System. This fixes corrupted data that can block disk reading. Step 3. Update your system software. An outdated system can cause compatibility issues with disks. Go to your system update section and make sure you're running the latest version. This improves stability and often fixes hidden bugs. Step 4. Clean the internal lens. This is a big one. Dust inside the console can block the laser from reading discs. You can use a lens cleaning disc, which is the safest method. If you're comfortable opening the console, gently clean the lens with a cotton swab and a tiny bit of isopropyl alcohol. Be very careful here. Step 5. Rebuild the database. Go back into safe mode and select Rebuild Database. This reorganizes your system files and can fix reading issues caused by system errors. It won't delete your games, but it may take a few minutes to complete. Step 6. Check for overheating. If your PS3 is overheating, it can affect the disk drive performance. Make sure your console has proper ventilation. Clean the vents and keep it in an open space. Step 7. Test different disk types. Try a game disc, a DVD, and a Blu-ray. If only one type fails, your laser may be partially worn out. That helps you diagnose if it's a hardware issue. Pro tip: if your PS3 only reads discs when tilted or after multiple tries, your laser is likely weakening. In that case, replacing the laser assembly is a long-term fix and much cheaper than buying a new console. That's it. Fast and effective fixes to get your PS3 back in action. If you try any of these and still face issues, drop a comment below. I'll reply within 1 hour and help you out personally. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to TechVibes for more quick tech fixes. Stay smart, stay connected, and I'll see you in the next one.